Hello children, today we are going to learn about electricity and circuits. We have many uses of electricity in our life which make it easier. For example, we use electricity to operate pumps that help in lifting water from the ground level up to the rooftop tanks. Similarly, children, there are many other uses of electricity. Can you list some of them in your notebook? So what are the uses that you noted down? Yes, we use electricity in many ways. For example, we can use it to charge our mobile phones, fans, computers, refrigerators, and many other electrical appliances. Does your list also include lighting as one of the benefits of electricity? Yes, because of electricity, we are able to see even after sunset. You are able to study in our homes at night because of electricity. Your father is able to work in his office because of electricity. You can also visit supermarkets because of the lights available there. Factories are able to operate because of electricity. You are able to travel in the roads at night because of electricity. A power station provides us with electricity. However, sometimes the supply of electricity might fail or it may not be available in some places. In such cases, we use a torch. A torch has a bulb that lights up when it is switched on. Now, where does the torch get its electricity from? It gets the electricity from an electric cell. Let's study about it in more detail. You might have seen the danger signs shown here displayed on poles, electric substations, and many other places. It is to warn people that electricity can be dangerous if not handled properly. Carelessness in handling electricity and electric devices can cause severe injuries and sometimes even death. Hence, you should never attempt to experiment with the electric wires and sockets. Also remember that the electricity generated by portable generators is equally dangerous. Use only electric cells for all activities related to electricity. Now children, coming back to electric cell. Electricity in the bulb of a torch is provided by an electric cell. Electric cell can be used in many other devices such as mobile phones, cameras, transistor radios, alarm clocks, and many more. Now children, have you ever carefully looked at an electric cell? It has a metal cap on one side and a metal disc on the other. It is marked by two terminals. It has positive written on one side of the cell and negative on the other. The metal cap is the positive terminal of the electric cell and the metal disc is the negative terminal of the electric cell. Every electric cell has two terminals, a positive one and a negative one. Now children, let us look at the electric cell more closely. As you can see, the metal cap is the positive terminal. The positive terminal is denoted by a plus sign. The metal disc is the negative terminal. It is denoted by the minus sign. An electric cell produces electricity because of the chemicals present inside it. Just like any other thing, after the chemicals are used up, the cell has to be replaced by a new one. So children, have you ever seen a bulb closely? It has a covering of glass and a metallic base. You know what? Let's do a little activity to see what is inside a bulb. So let's take a torch and look inside its bulb. You can also take out the bulb with the help of your teacher. What do you notice? Do you find a thin wire fixed in the middle of the glass bulb? Now, switch the torch on and observe which part of the bulb is glowing. So children, what did we see? The thin wire that gives off light is the filament of the bulb. The filament is also fixed by two thicker wires which also provide support to it. One of the thicker wires is connected to the metal at the base of the bulb. The other thicker wire is connected to the tip at the center of the base. The base of the bulb and the center of the tip form the two terminals of the bulb. These two terminals are never connected to each other and they are always separate in a bulb. This setup is also similar to the bulbs that we use in the lighting of our homes. Children, you should never join the two terminals of the electric cell without connecting them through a switch and a device such as a bulb. If you do so, the chemicals in the electric cell get used up very fast and the cell stops working. So children, today we learned about electric cell. An electric cell is a source of electricity. An electric cell has two terminals. One is called positive while the other is negative. So children, today we learned that an electric bulb glows when electric current passes through it.